September 2021, ninth month of the year, can hear some positive news worldwide of hiring and recruitment. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for online or offline interview, one of the most common question is tell me about yourself. What kind of a question is this? Is it even a question? Yes, it is. It is one of the most common and tricky questions and is usually asked at the very beginning of the interview. Even so, many job seekers don't take this question seriously. When the hiring manager is asking you the question, tell me about yourself, they are not actually asking about your personal life, your background, which movie you watched last night, or your whole life story. When candidates hear this question, either they start fumbling or drag down their life story. Even few summarize their resume, going point by point description through their work experience or education history. And they have not talked about anything important. They have not talked about what's in it for the company. Chances are they are looking at hundreds of applicants that look exactly like you. And this is your opportunity to prove that you are the best fit for the job. Because you never get a second chance to make a first impression. When they ask, tell me about yourself, even after they know everything about you by seeing your resume. Now, what are they asking to tell? Or what do they want to know? What value could you bring to the company? Are you fit for this position or the job? Your approach towards work and to evaluate how confident you are. So here are the 3 steps to nail the opener. Apply SEA formula. S. Be succinct. Avoid giving detailed account of your career and also avoid word-to-word description of your resume. The interviewer is looking for an answer which shows that you are qualified for this role. Next is engaging. Make sure the description is engaging. You should not sound pompous or boastful. A stands for authentic. Whatever you present on the table should be authentic. You should be honest with your achievements, skills you've learned, and key career moves you've made. And if you are a recent graduate, start with the fact that you've just graduated and explain why you chose this path. So let's see an example if you're applying for a business analyst with experience. My name is Dash and I am Dash years old. For the past 5 years, I've been working as a business analyst at company Dash. I have some background in data analysis with a degree from University Dash. What really got me into the field though is the internship I did at so-and-so company. Throughout my career, I've noticed that I've always been good with numbers and handling data. For example, when I was working at company Dash, I led a project for migrating all operations data to a new data warehousing system to cut down on cost. The new solution was a much better fit for our business, which eventually led to savings of up to Dash annually. Moving forward, I hope to expand my experience across different industries, particularly Dash, which is why I am interested in your company. You see how that works? You're talking about your success but without bragging, and it's like showcasing your skills. Before the big day, few tips to keep in mind. You need to tailor your answer according to their job description and needs. Try to talk about experiences and qualifications that are relevant for this job you've applied for. Keep your answer work related. Make sure you practice your answer before the interview, so I'd recommend grabbing a piece of paper and writing down the key points. Practice, but don't memorize, as you'll sound like a robot. With this, I hope I've been of some help. Thank you so much for watching till end. Break a leg.